Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita. Wait, hold on. I'm saying welcome back. I'm the one that's coming back, right? Okay, anyways. I forgot my intro. Okay. Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to be going over the fall winter 2024 collection the best way I can. You guys know I'm not supposed to be sharing this yet, and the pictures are blurry, but we're going to figure it out together. But before I get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay bestie, so let's get started. I am going to go over a few collections, and again, this is all from my phone, so if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone and providing information, okay? It's not that I'm ignoring you. We are going to start with the first one. The first collection is Monogram New Color. Again, this is going to be kind of blurry, but I do have a few pictures. Shout out to info.lv. He has a new page, and I'm going to get on that topic a little bit later. You guys most definitely need to follow him. But this is how it's going to look, okay? To me, it's giving a little faded off-tone monogram. You know, we have the classic monogram look. It's giving that, but like a washed out faded color, if you guys know what I mean. But this is it. This is the Keep All 45 that's coming out. And also this is the On The Go Tote MM. On the side is giving like a faded reverse monogram as well. But again, if I get better pictures, I will share with you. This collection again is called the Monogram New Color. And these are some of the handbags that are coming out. We spoke on the On The Go Tote MM. Here it is here. Guys, the prices, you can go and convert yourself. Send it to your CA. Again, this is coming out in August. This is the fall winter collection. We also have a vanity chain pouch. I guess they are just done with the vanity PMs, and just now, you know, they are shrinking these handbags and going up on the price. You guys know how LV do. So this is a vanity chain pouch. And in the lookbook, it looks like the vachetta is lighter. So I am very happy that we do have these pictures to reference. Okay, we also are receiving a side trunk MM. They are giving us all of these side trunks. They are not giving us reverse monogram. They gave us a reverse monogram, but stuck an animal on there. Okay, we're not going to get into that. Also, the Matisse East West. I am seeing this size handbag a lot versus the Pochette Matisse. So I'm guessing this is just the new popular handbag for the Matisse. A lot of you guys wasn't happy with the Pochette Matisse, and I actually love that size. It's just the perfect crossbody handbag. But we are receiving a Matisse East West in the Monogram New Color. And we are going to receive a couple of SLGs. Here is the Rosalie flap, and I'm guessing reverse. So the inside must be just like the On The Go Tote MM. It's just like the reverse monogram, but just a little bit faded, okay? I'm just assuming, since I do see reverse at the end, that the inside is just going to be a different toned color. We also have the Pochette Cosmetic pouch that is coming out in the PM size. I showed you guys already the Keep All 45. So if you guys are into traveling accessories, traveling luggage, I am going to show you here the Keep All 45 and also the Horizon 55 as well. And last, I want to speak on this. This is the mini locket. it seems like the reverse color is on the outside of this handbag, okay? So if you see on the on-the-go tote MM on the side, it has that reverse monogram faded print. Well, it seems like the mini locket has that as the outside of it, okay? The outside exterior, and I'm thinking the interior is going to be the, you know, the faded brown color. It looks great to me, but you guys know what I'm saying. So it's basically just flipped inside out. So I'm wondering, with these other handbags, do they have that reverse print, that reverse color on the inside, like the on-the-go totes? You guys, we don't know what we're going to get. But this is going to be called the Monogram New Color. Here are the items that are coming out. Take a screenshot, send them to your CA, have the prices converted, or you go on Google and you convert them yourself, okay? I'm pretty sure we are going to receive more items, but as of right now, this is what I have. I still don't see a mini pochette anywhere in sight. I'm not sure what's going on, but kind of scary. Let's move on to the next collection. Bestie, so this next collection is actually my favorite. I showed you guys a glimpse of this in my stories because I compared it with some boots that I actually love, and my eyes are on these. It's like on the whole set, the Alma BB and the boots, okay? This is called the Monogram Ink collection. This is going to come out in August, and as you guys can see, this is a test. So I'm hoping that they're not going to send this to influencers, that they're actually going to release this for us. But here is this beautiful gray color, the perfect gray color, just like my shirt, the perfect gray color that I have been looking for. But notice it also has an added chain strap, so automatically that's going to add like $1,000. I'm letting you guys know it's going to add like $1,000, but I don't know. I don't know for sure. But you can see the price. You can go and convert that on your own, but it's also coming in black. That's not like LV to release any handbags and not throw in a black as well. You guys know how that goes. And this is absolutely stunning. So classy, sexy. It's just, oh my God. I don't know if this is going to be an everyday handbag. I just can't see it being an everyday handbag, but it's absolutely stunning. Let me know, would you prefer this in a larger size? Because this is going to be in the BB size. Would you want this in a larger size? Let me know. Moving forward, the same two colors, the gray and black with the gold hardware. This is going to be the Duffel Monogram Ink, okay? You see the price, send it over. Go to Google, convert it, but I think this is going to be very, very cute. Very, very cute. I'm not sure if I would take this in the black or gray. They are both stunning. I love it. I love the tote handle. I love that they added a strap as well. And of course, I know the strap is going to be detachable. I'm wondering if is it going to be adjustable. And it also comes with a padlock, and of course I'm pretty sure it's going to come with some type of key. I can't see the side that well, okay? I can't see the side that well, but it also comes with a bag tag too. I can't stop looking at this, okay? So this is going to be the Duffel Monogram Ink handbag that is coming out. And of course, you guys know they are going to always roll out with an on-the-go tote MM. And in gray, we have the black. We have the black front leather, but a gray on-the-go tote MM. I need to know how the inside is going to look. To be honest with you, I don't even care what color the inside is. We are going to receive an on-the-go tote MM in the gray, in this beautiful gray color. We need it. We need it. And I'm hoping that is going to be the same gray color. And at the bottom, you can see it's highlighted in yellow. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure if it's going through the production stage, if we are going to receive it. But I do see PM at the bottom of it. So if they're going to release a PM, if you are a fan of the PM, just keep your fingers crossed that they are going to add this size to this collection. Okay, maybe, you know, we already have the black PM. Maybe they're going to throw this out Or maybe they don't know if we're going to, if they're going to, you know, make a MM or a PM. But I do see that there and it's highlighted. So let's keep that in mind. And I also want to speak on this handbag. I'm not sure which collection this is going to be released in, but I don't want to overlook it. This is called the Slim Trunk. I do have a better picture here. If you guys are into a white handbag, and I'm hoping that it is a white color. And I also want to add this handbag. I'm not sure if you saw this floating around on Instagram. This is gorgeous. Oh, the details on this trunk is just absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure what type of trunk, what the name is, Monogram trunk. I don't know, but I know it's not going to be a small handbag. It could be a gem. I don't know, but you guys know how I am about a cute hobo bag. I'm not worried about the canvas creasing at all. I love this, okay? It just screams wealthy. It just screams sexy, classy. I mean, you see me. This is everything. I love it. The gold hardware does so much for certain handbags and is doing so much for this, okay? And this is another collection. It's called the Dark Griss. I hope I am saying it correctly. Dark Griss. This is going to be a gray leather carry-all MM. I'm not a fan of the carry-all, but anything gray, those are my colors in the fall. Gray, brown, I love navy, black, any type of maroon. That's my colors, okay? And this is going to come, I see, with a bag tag, which is Monogram. So they stuck a Monogram bag tag on the front of this leather, and I'm not mad at it. I think it's going to go. I think it's going to be nice. So here it is. Okay, and right next to it, it is a carry-all PM. But as you guys can see, it's kind of blurred out. So I'm not sure if this is going to be released or not. You guys know how LV do. But I also see, if you look closely, they have like a chain strap added as well with a bag tag. So I don't know what we are going to get, but it is absolutely adorable because it's the color gray. It's going to be the color gray, so I know it's going to be a hot handbag, okay? So this is the Dark Griss collection. If anything else come out in this collection, I swear I will share with you, besties. I really will. Okay, and this, I'm not sure, this is called a trompe. You guys, here it is. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it. Here it is. You guys help me in the comments or send me a DM. This is an Alma XL. So I'm assuming this is going to be a very huge. And a matter of fact, I do have a picture of it. Here it is here. If you guys are interested in things that are different, you are a standout person, hey, you see me coming, this is going to be right up your alley. For me, it has a lot going on. I cannot see myself carrying this every day for this price. Get this and convert it, and you guys take it with you. Take it to your CA if you are interested. I'm basically here to share. When I say it's different, yes, it's different. Is it unique? Yes, it's unique. Will it stand out in a crowd? Yes, it will. But again, will you pay this price knowing that you will not use this handbag every day? Totally up to you. And guys, I'm going to show you this new collection. It is called the Mini Monogram. And if it has mini in front of Monogram, you know that it's going to be the smallest monogram print. This right here, I don't know what color. It's just, for me, it's too faded. I don't know if this is metallic, silver. I don't know if this is cream. I don't know if it's white. But I am just going to share here so you guys know what handbags are coming out. So when we get better pictures, you guys already have it on your mind. Hey, the Speedy 25 is coming out in this collection, okay? So here it is here. We have the Neverfull MM. We have the Nano Bucket. We have the Speedy 25. Okay, and this doesn't look like a Speedy 25 bandolier, because usually when they show the bandolier size, it'll have a strap. So this just shows a Speedy 25. And again, too early, I'm not sure. A pochette heels, the Sommer handbag, and then we have a zippy wallet. I also told you guys that we are getting a Montessori mini backpack, and this is it right here. This is what I was talking about. I just couldn't tell what color it was, so I didn't want to share information and I wasn't sure, and I'm doing that right now. I'm sharing information and I'm not sure what color, but I'm sharing information, letting you guys know what is coming out in this collection. So this collection is called the Mini Monogram. Pay attention. I'm pretty sure I will have the information or it will pop up somewhere, okay? But at least you know what's coming out. And guys, as of right now, I am going to stop there until I receive more information. And yes, I do have more handbags to show, but I don't want this video to drag out too long. I want to break it up a little bit, because we have to go over this black and silver Monogram collection that's coming out. Okay, it's going to be black leather, silver hardware with Monogram canvas, the classic Monogram canvas. Very hot collection that's coming out. So you guys take a screenshot, share this information with your friends, share it with your hubby. I mean, I don't care who you share with, but get the word out. We are here to share. We are besties, and that's how we operate over here. And before I end this video, I want you guys to go and follow Info. He's on Instagram. It's info.lv2. His page was recently deleted. I told you guys, when you post, just make sure you put some information down in the caption that you are just here to share. These are not your handbags. And unfortunately, I'm guessing he got caught up with whatever LV is working with Instagram and all these other brands. They are shutting these pages down. They are assuming that you guys are taking money from them, and only thing he's doing is basically sending money their way. But that's how these brands are. They're selfish, and we just keep buying. Okay, so make sure you follow info.lv2. I mean, very accurate. Comes through with the pictures, responds to you guys in the comments whenever he gets a chance. Very, very nice. I love him. I love him so much. Just clear pictures, and he's going to get that information out for us. Okay, so again, until next time, we are going to speak on, I'm trying to see when I'm gonna show you guys the mini Palm Springs backpack in front leather black. Maybe next video, okay? So guys, I am so happy to be back. As you guys can see, I am extremely happy. In another video, I'll basically tell you guys where I've been, what's been going on, and until next time, see you later guys. Bye bye.